We're here at Highland Hill Farm. This is an eagle that's been flying around for quite a few days. About the best I can get with this camera. We're right here in Doylestown. And this thing has been working around here and building a nest. You can just see his white head on the top of this thing if you look closely. We're on Route 313 in Fountainville, and if you want to come and view this eagle, you can come anytime you want. We have an eagle viewing area for you, so give us a call at 215-651-8329. Yesterday this eagle was carrying branches for a nest, so we know we're within 1 mile of the nest. The nest is most likely in Peace Valley Park. So give us a call, 215-651-8329, or come to 5275 West Swamp Road, Fountainville, PA. I'm sorry it's way up there. That thing's up at least about 1,000 feet. Yesterday we had a lot of good shots of it real close to the ground. And we're right on Route 313 in Fountainville. And the eagle will fly up and down this little valley right here. There's a creek called Peace Valley Park in here, and it's a creek in here. And you're welcome to come. We have an eagle viewing area for you. So give us a call at 215-651-8329. We also sell lots of trees, plants, and shrubs that you can also view at the same time. So give us a call. Come and see the eagle. I believe that's an osprey right there. We're here at Highland Hill Farm. It's either an osprey or an eagle. I believe that's the osprey that's working at Peace Valley Park. I think that's an osprey.
Could be. I saw one over at the lake on Sunday.
Yeah. Well, somebody's got to come and identify this bird for me because I don't know how to identify it. These are 5 to 6 and 4 to 5s. Green giant arborvitaes. Got plenty of them here. Just give us a call, 215-651-8329. This is a block of emerald green arborvitaes, just to give you an idea. These are from 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 10 foot. And they held up pretty well through the winter. Sometimes you do lose a branch due to snow load, but it didn't seem to be so bad. If we take a look over here, you can see these are technique, and you can see how they just fell right apart. So, a few primordialis in there. But you can just see the difference, how well these held together versus some of these others over here for the techni and the pyramidalis. So give us a call at 215-651-8329. We're here at Highland Hill Farm on Route 313, and these are our real nice looking burning bush, Euonymus alatus compacta. These are about 4 foot high, 4 to 5 foot high, and they're a heavy plant here. They're in a 22-inch ball, and as you can see, after we dig them, we put a drip water line system down for them to take care of them. These are $60 until the end of 2009, and we have about 400 of these to sell. And you're welcome to come out to the farm and take a look at them. We're located on Route 313 in Fountainville, PA. These can take a little bit of shade. They are considered an invasive plant. So, you know, just to let you know, in some areas you wouldn't be able to have these, like in New England states, it's not legal to grow this plant. But it's okay in Pennsylvania, as far as I know, New Jersey and other local states. So just give us a call at 215-651-8329. This is a real nice looking bush, is it not? This is the burning bush. Thank you. This is a block of 6 to 7 and 7 to 8 foot Canadian hemlocks. And you can see none of the trees are touching. Any of the trees we're touching were thrown away on the side. just give us a call, 215-651-8329 for Canadian hemlocks. We have real nice stock here. This is Nandina. Give us a call, 215-651-8329. We have plenty of them here. Real nice evergreen. Only gets to be about 5-6 feet. These are nice heavy plants. These are some examples of some of the Crimson Queen Japanese maples that we have available here at Highland Hill Farm on Route 313 in Fountainville, PA. It's a very windy day, so I'm taking this picture through a picture window at my office. These are really bright red foliaged plants that like full sun. In the shade, they're going to be somewhat darker and have more green color. We can deliver, or you can pick up. We can also plant for you. Give us a call at 215-651-8329, or come and visit us at 5275 West Swamp Road, Fountainville, PA, to see these beautiful Crimson Queen Japanese maples. This is Dragon Lady Holly. It's a real nice upright holly. Makes a nice hedge. We're specimen planting. The nicest thing about it is it's deer resistant. The deer have to be very, very hungry to eat this. So give us a call at 215-651-8329. These are a weeping river birch. Give us a call, 215-651-8329. Thank you.